Hello, and welcome to my channel, Sammy Pie the New. I'm glad to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for all things tech, productivity, and more. Today, I want to talk to you about something many of us tech enthusiasts deal with, the desire to own that latest, greatest phone. Maybe it's the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, or the rumored Samsung Z Fold 6, a foldable phone that's on everyone's radar, right? But here's the thing, we need to think of this not just as a shiny new gadget, but as an asset, a tool, or even a weapon that can truly enhance our productivity and make us stronger in our daily lives. This isn't just about a new phone, it's about something that can improve your life, making you more efficient and more effective. You have to remember that this tool, this phone, is meant to add to your arsenal. It's supposed to make you more powerful, help you achieve more, and enhance your productivity. Don't see it simply as a luxury item or an emotional purchase. Think of it as an investment, something that helps you level up in your personal or professional life. Now, here's the crucial part. You must be smart about it. You need to consider your current financial situation. Is buying this phone going to negatively impact your bank account? Will it mean going below zero or starting a new installment plan when you're already juggling existing payments? If that's the case, then buying that phone, even if it's the impressive foldable Samsung Z Fold 6 or the powerful S24 Ultra, is going to make you weaker, not stronger. Remember, your financial health is also a powerful tool in your arsenal. Think of your finances as part of your empire, your castle. A healthy bank account is the foundation of that castle. So, if purchasing this phone right now means draining your funds or compromising your financial stability, it's not worth it. Your decisions should always be ones that strengthen your castle, not ones that put its foundation at risk. Always view these tech acquisitions as a means to get stronger, richer, more effective, and more productive. Make sure your choices align with these goals. Desire that weapon, that tool that will enhance your arsenal, but not at the cost of your financial security. Make every decision count toward building a stronger, more secure future. Before you hit that buy button, think carefully. Will this phone genuinely make you stronger, or will it weaken your financial position? Make the choice that makes you better, not just momentarily satisfied. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Sammy Pie the New. Let's keep growing stronger together. See you next time.